What does everybody do every day anyway? Everybody shops. That's a necessity of life. As customers, we always look for a better deal, and every online company looks for more customers. That's where SiteTalk's Cashback add-on comes into play. In thousands of brand name online stores, you can get real cash for doing what you do online anyway, and it's completely free. Normally, online stores spend millions on advertising, trying to get some new customers. Now, they get customers for free. And when these customers shop, SiteTalk receives a share of the profits which we pass on to our members. It doesn't make a difference whether you shop in your favorite online clothing store, book a holiday, or buy something on Amazon.com. Many companies offer cashback websites requiring you to use special browsers or web bars. On SiteTalk, you simply install our Cashback add-on once, and that's it. If you check on one of the major search engines, you will also see right away whether the shop offers a cashback system or not. You will even have price comparisons for identical products when you check out offers online. If you think that is great in itself, then what about getting something extraordinary on top of it? When you introduce your friends to the cashback system, you'll also earn a part of what they receive in cashback. It's all just one click away. No matter what company you work for or what business you're in, you'll earn your cashback share for spending time online and doing what you do anyway. Join SiteTalk for free and get your cashback add-on today.